Roadmap to become a Salesforce admin. What does a Salesforce admin do? A Salesforce admin manages and customizes the Salesforce platform to support business processes and users. Where it's used, Salesforce is used in sales, customer service, marketing, and many business operations across companies. Start with the basics. Understand what Salesforce is and how the platform works. Learn core admin tasks. Learn how to manage users, roles, permissions, and data. Customize the platform. Work with objects, fields, page layouts, and validation rules. Learn automation tools. Use Flow and Process Builder to automate business workflows. Build reports and dashboards. Create reports to track performance and visualize data. Manage data. Learn how to import, export, and maintain clean data. Understand security. Manage access using roles, profiles, and sharing rules. Practice with real scenarios. Use Trailhead and practice orgs to gain hands-on experience. Prepare for certification. Work towards Salesforce Admin certification. Be ready for challenges. Managing complex data and workflows can be challenging. Think like an admin. Focus on efficiency, accuracy, and user support. Manage smart CRM systems. Start your journey today and become a Salesforce admin supporting business success.